10-minute meditation for sleep and relaxation. Make the body comfortable. Gently and lovingly close down your eyes. Bring your awareness to the sound of the music and the rise and fall of your chest. Allow your mind to relax. Tell your mind it's time to settle in. It's time to have peace, stillness, calmness, and clarity. Place your hand on your chest. Bring awareness to the rise and fall. You may even be able to feel your heartbeat. Take a couple of deep breaths in and fully release and relax. Now imagine gentle waves moving throughout your body, rhythmic, peaceful. And as these waves move throughout your body, you are able to fully let go. You are able to fully relax. These waves begin at the top of your head and make their way down to the bottoms of your feet. The waves move gently, slowly, and methodically. If your mind starts to wander, bring it back to the calmness, the coolness of these waves. Every cell in your body is relaxing. Every muscle, every ligament. You feel the body sinking deeper and deeper into the surface beneath you. You have thoughts of moving, but your arms just seem too heavy. Your breathing slows and deepens. Your face is relaxed. Your eyelids, your cheeks, and your jaw. The waves have made their way throughout your body. They have healed. They have cleansed. Now set your intention for your rest. What is it that you want to bring to your subconscious mind while you slumber? Tell it exactly what you desire. Your subconscious mind does not know the difference between reality and perceived reality. The commands you give it, it carries out. So it's up to you to decide the orders you give it. Be intentional about how you want to feel when you awake in the morning. And it is done. Breathe in deeply and release. Breathe in deeply again and release. Now visualize in great detail your intention. Every aspect, smell, sound, sight. And bring to the forefront of your mind the feelings that this intention brings you. Good. I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. And with each count, you become more and more relaxed. You move into a deeper and deeper state of being, prepared for sleep. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are more relaxed than ever before. You feel immense peace and calmness like none other. You feel joy and bliss. You anticipate the best sleep of your life. You are so present and aware. You have no worries or judgment, and you know you are exactly where you need to be. You feel powerful because you know that you can choose how you feel and what you do. You are giving yourself the gift of sleep and rejuvenation. Breathe into your muscles. Breathe in deeply. Let it all go. Doubts and worries, tension and stress. This time, I will count from 1 to 10. And when I get to 10, you'll be prepared for sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sweet dreams.